Doing the SolidWorks Certified Associate guideline with practice problems, so we can put you guys on the right track, in the right direction to be a SolidWorks Certified Associate. I'm using their problem, so we can go over one by one. As you see here, we have a lot of them, and so can prepare you all for the exam. Also, this will strengthen your SolidWorks skills. If you are not if you're not willing to go for the certification, it still will sharpen your skills. So let's start. We'll be starting a sketching on front plane, and so just get a center rectangle and give it dimensions as shown. So here 30 by 60, so 30 there, and 60, and then I'm gonna add this the hole they have in here. So let's I think this was, and the diameter of the hole is 12 inches, and it is 16 inches from side to side, and from the top or from the bottom is 16 as well. And then we can create the extruded boss. As it's saying here, it's 28 inches. I like to use mid plane, so in case if I'm gonna use this mid plane later for it's always good when you're creating a part, always good to use a mid plane, so you can use that mid plane to mirror another, like maybe a hole or a hole pattern or any notch or cut or anything. So it'll be useful if you do that. This will, I prefer do that way because I have seen it to be useful. And I will give it some material. So they said aluminum, so we're gonna pretty much, I'm not gonna we're gonna use any, it doesn't matter, so just use 1060. Close. Now we see it's aluminum. Save. And yeah, it's always gonna ask me how to save that. I'm gonna be creating actually I'm gonna replace this. This is the same thing, problem 1. I'm gonna replace it with this. So I'm going to second portion of that, which is this piece at the top there. So I'm gonna create a sketch. I'm gonna use like a line sketch. So just arbitrarily sketch, and then we take care of it later. Alright, so let's dimension that sketch. So it says will be 75 minus 30 will give us this top portion. So I'll do 75 minus 30, this 45, and is specified as to be 20. Come on. And this to be 12. Alrighty, and the height, as you see, is also 12. And height from here to 0 is 12 as well. Oops, it's okay. And so I already have 12 here. Oh, that should be from here to here. Yep, this is 12. There you go. And from here to here, it's 12 as well. Alright, so I always like to have a fully defined sketch. As you see, this up portion is not fully defined, so we need to make this a fully defined sketch. So what we can do to do that, to make this happen, is to add like more dimensions. I believe we can give this to be 12 as well. Okay. So now we're ready to extrude, cut this one as well. So now we need to have this to be one side plane, one side not mid plane, and the length or the depth is 20. And that's it. So we're done with first problem. I'm just gonna save it, and that's it. I hope you guys learned something today. I will see you for the next problem 2. Thank you. Bye.